In this video, I want to show you how to add horizontal legend in ArcMap. So let's go to ArcMap. Here I have this data, and sometimes you may want to add horizontal legend instead of the normal vertical legend. Maybe you don't know how to do it. So this video, I'll show you precisely how to get it done. So to do that, go to Layout. Yes, bringing your map into the layout. As usual, you add your map elements, but the element we want to deal with in this video is the legend, and we want to see how we can make our legend to be horizontal instead of the usual vertical orientation. So to do that, just go to Insert, click on Insert Legend, click on Next, click Next, click Next, click Next, and click on Finish. By default, it comes with vertical orientation just as it is. But in this video, I want to show you how to make it horizontal. So to make this legend horizontal, just right click it and click on Properties. Then come under General. If you don't want it to show the legend name, you can delete it. However, if you want it, you can leave it. Then come to Items. Under Item, make sure you select your layer. Then click on Style. When it opens, select this first one, which is horizontal bar with headings, label, and description. Select it. You will see the preview here. Then come under Properties. The bar, we can leave the angle of text above the bar at 45 degrees. Likewise, angle of text below the bar, let's leave it at 45 degrees. Then come to General here. You may decide to show the layer name, check it. And I don't want to show the heading names, I will uncheck it. But I want to show the label symbol, so check it. Then come to Arrangement. You can also choose your arrangement here, either to be label description or description before label. So just choose any of the arrangement you prefer. Then click on OK. Click OK. Then let's make it bold and make the font, let's say for example 16, and click on OK. You can see it has turned it to horizontal legend. You can see this is horizontal legend. So instead of the conventional vertical legend, you can see this is how to turn your legend into horizontal orientation. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.